Would you ever think that from this you can not only get this, but also this? Hi guys, I'm Janek from Szelma.com and I also work as a professional photographer. Today I want to show you a great camera strap that we made from cork. It is an amazing material and I bet you will also fall in love with it. It has a really nice feel to it and it's soft, won't mess up your hair or your clothes. It's waterproof, it's also durable, and it will last for years. Plus it's natural, no animals were harmed while making it, no trees were cut down. I think it is a fantastic choice. The second essential part is that we're working with local craftsmen. They have a ton of experience and passion to make it real. The camera straps are handmade with loads of patience and love. Our straps will satisfy the most demanding customers, both who like natural tones and those who like to go crazy with colors. So what do you think? Let's give it a try.